Oh, good lad. Stuff you as well. Up the inside of there. Never go around the outside of those guys. That's 3 points. And this guy. Go again, keeping your eyes open this time for indicators and people coming into that box. Looks alright. Bit of a tip, look at the driver's mirror. You can see what the driver's getting up to in clear conditions. Not this morning, it's crap, but again, if the blue arrow points to the left, do not go around the other side of it, because that's 3 points. As we're doing almost a speed limit now, there's no point filtering, just stick with them.